Will Dr. Shashi Tharoor join the BJP or the left, or will he start some other party of his own? Today is his birthday, 9th of March 2025, and I wish him a very happy birthday and a long life. But today's topic is using astrology and numerology and also a bit of palmistry is to figure out what will he do in the upcoming years, because there is a change of period which he has had from today, which is 9th March again. So what will he do? There are rumors that he's gonna switch sides to the BJP or he will start his own party. These are the two primary rumors, and the second one seems to be more likely, right? But nonetheless, let's see. So 2024, March 2024 to March 2025, I see that he felt very humiliated. Now, you may argue that he won the election, but oof, I think he felt terribly humiliated. And that is why, from the last 1 or 2 months, you have been seeing, that there are these talks, he has made some statements. He has praised Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's visit to the US. And generally, you can praise if things are good, but in India, the politics has become so bitter, that no Congress person will praise anything that Modi does, nor will BJP ever praise anything that the Congress does, even in the states. Okay, so that's unfortunate, but that's how Kali Yuga is. Kali Yuga means there is dissension, there is quarrel, there is hypocrisy, there is fights. Okay, so because of that, many people are speculating or were speculating 10 days back that it's over for him in the Congress and he will jump ship. Okay. Now, from this year, which is today, this birthday. So when I say this year, I mean birthday of this year, which is today for him, till the next 6 years, which means birthday of 2031. So March 2025 to March 2031, he has had a change of period for 6 years. Now, what does this period indicate? This period indicates that troubles are going to increase for him, but he will become more powerful. This is what this period indicates. In short, now when I say powerful, what does it mean? It does not necessarily mean from a political perspective, but in general, he will become more powerful, more popular. But there's one problem. I see that there could be humiliation, there could be some legal cases, court cases, or some issue related to women that could also be there. Okay. So, in case he watches this video, he should be careful with women. Okay. Or any member, yeah, anybody who is dealing with women also, any assistant, any secretary, or somebody like that. Careful, careful, careful. Problem with women could be there. Or in general, as I said, there could be litigation or some fake news against him. Now, who will do this? Will the BJP do it or Congress do it? Well, that I cannot answer, but there could be some information which kind of circulates. Now, but the best part is he will become more powerful. Okay. Now, specifically, if I try to narrow down every year, so this year means 9th March 2025 to 9th March 2026. This is a year where I see that he's gaining some kind of popularity. He's doing a lot of photo shoots or photo ops. Okay, politics, photo ops, or he's just getting more viral in social media. Well, that could be for any reason, good or bad, but you'll see him more often. Now, again, this will apply for the bad also. So if something comes up, it will be magnified. Okay. Now, the most interesting year for him, which I see, is the next year. So 9th March 2026 to 9th March 2027. This is one particular year where it is possible to some extent that or maybe it's completely possible that he might change from the Congress and go to the BJP, or he might start his own party. Or even if he stays within the Congress, there will be a lot of defamation, lot of humiliation, exceptional humiliation. So 2026 March to 2027 is not a good year for him. Now, that year could be filled with, like expenditure or defamation, lawsuits, problems, legal troubles, crap, basically. All the crap of the material world will be there. Then 2027, March 2027 to March 2028 is another critical year for him, where I see he is meeting new people, but he looks to be a bit confused in regards to what to do. So he might get some position or post, but it will also come with some humiliation or something like that. Okay, and people may say, oh, he has changed as a person, so it might be that he might make the shift in this year also, but most likely it is March 2026 to March 2027. It's very, very, very likely that he might make a shift during that time. Then March 2028 to March 2029, I see is a good year for him. He's getting a lot of free sponsorships. He's traveling. Then he might get something important. So if he comes to the BJP, or yes, because it's 2029, and if BJP stays in power, and if he comes during this time, he might get some position for foreign delegation. So he might become external affairs minister. I mean, of course, as Jaishankar is there, I don't think that will happen now. But just in case, like, or anything to do with foreign affairs or whatever, that maybe time will tell. But something to do with developed countries, or something to do with foreign lands in general. So 2028, great year for him. And then 2029, I see again a lot of photo ops he's doing, and 2030 also is a great year for him. So, in short, the next best year is after 3 years, 2028. So, March 2028 to March 2029, and then March 2030 to March 2031 is another good year. This year, you will see him doing photo ops, and next year is the worst year for him. Okay. Now, when I say it's the worst year, I don't mean to say nothing good can happen. But the problem is, even if good things happen, like 2024 shows he faced humiliation. So externally, he won his seat for Lok Sabha from Kerala, from Tiruvananthapuram, and I think he has won it for the fourth time. If I'm wrong, please correct me. But he internally, he's feeling that he's getting humiliated. So 2026 March onwards will also be like that. Even if he becomes, chief minister of Kerala or whatever, cabinet minister in the Modi government, there also he will face opposition. So this is not just that the problem will be there if he stays in Congress. So if he comes to the BJP after March 2026, even then he will face problems. Okay. So my good wishes to him for the next 6 years. I see a lot of difficulties, humiliation, struggle, but at the end he's becoming stronger. This is what I see. And what happens later we will discuss after, what is that year, after March 2031. All right, so see you again. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and write down in the comments what do you think will happen. He will stay in the Congress, or he will shift to the BJP, or he will start his own party. All right, don't forget to write your opinions in the comments. And if you want a personalized horoscope consultation from me, year-wise predictions or dasha predictions for a longer period of time, career, marriage, health, relationships, spirituality, whatever, please go to my website down in the description section, www.exoticastrology.in. God is there with you all the time. Just look to him and you will find him. Jai Siya Ram.